Hey, welcome back. We're going to do the unboxing of the Ozark Trail outdoor camping mess kit with the 5-piece mess kit. Lightweight, compact, stainless steel, easy to clean. All pieces store neatly together. So it's got a 6.7 inch fry pan, 6.5 inch plate, 7-ounce cup, a lid, and a 0.5 quart pot. So let's unbox this real quick. Okay, so here it is. Let's open this up. There's our lid and our plate. Actually, that's just the plate. My bad. The lid's right here. So here's the lid. Here's our cup. Here's our little pot. The lid fits right on it. And you can use the plate as a lid on the pan. You can see that. And there it is, closed up. That's basically it for the unboxing. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.